Hi everyone, it's me Gamer Time here. Peach is really excited about this one. We got Nintendo Switch 2. Oh yeah. There it is. The new Joy-Cons. Wow. Joy-Con grips. HDMI cable. Ooh, it looks so cool. Nintendo Switch 2. It's supposed to be the power cord. Oh, and a new power adapter. Oh, really cool. This is so different than the last one. It's not permanently plugged in. And a piece of resistance. We have, wow, the Switch 2 dock. Looks really cool. So while trying to set it up, I'm having problems with my Wi-Fi. Jarvis 2.6.4G. So I don't know. Try it in the morning. I'll upload this to YouTube. Thanks so much for watching. I don't know what's wrong with it. I put the right password in. It's just not working. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Watch fully and send donations. Thanks. See you next video visit. Bye for now. Bye.